What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing my everyday makeup routine. I've gotten a ton of requests from my friends and family to do this, so I hope you like it. I've already put lotion all over my face, and I'm going to use my Estee Lauder primer and put that all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and my Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation and apply that to my face. I normally put a little bit on my Beauty Blender and dot it all over my face. And since this is a pretty covering foundation, I don't typically need to use concealer. Okay, and then I'll just go in with a little bit more on any rednesses or blemishes. And then I just bring it down on my neck a little bit to make sure I have no lines and blend it out. Next, I take this pink fluffy brush and I use the Dermablend Professional Loose Powder, the translucent powder setting, and just take a little bit. Alright. And then sometimes that translucent powder can leave a whiteness on my skin, and I'm already super pale, so I like to go in with this like flat brush, and this is Lancome, I believe, just like a little compact powder, and go all over my face with that. Next, I like to use this Anastasia contouring kit from light to medium, and I take a pretty big fan brush and use the bottom three on these, and I just kind of go in a little bit with each of them. I'm not so good at contouring, so I just kind of like frame my bone structure a little bit more. I take a bigger brush. This is normally a powder brush, but I like to use it for blush. And I use Tarte. I'm actually almost out of it. It is in the color Blushing Bride. Okay, next I go to my brows. I have a pretty good brow shape naturally, so I don't do a ton to them. I just kind of fill it in. So I just kind of follow the shape of my eyebrows already. So I go in with the Lash Building Primer from Clinique. I've used this since middle school and I love it. And then I go in with the Clinique, I don't even know, it's just this little small tube. I've used this one for a while as well. I like it because it has just like a smaller brush that's easier to get the bottom lashes. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. To finish off, I use the Urban Decay Space Powder as my highlighter. And the MAC Dazzle Glass for a little bit of a lip color. And that is it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try and link all my makeup down below, so when you're down there, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you next time.